Hello, today I'm going to take you through a small tutorial on how to create folders to save your files in on your computer. As you can see, I'm sitting at the desktop of my computer and I'm going to go into the My Computer icon at the top. If you don't want to click on the My Computer icon, you can use the quick keys Windows key and E, which will open this Explorer window up. When I'm in here, it shows me the drives I have available to me. I've got my C drive, which is the hard drive inside the computer. Space, which is another drive inside my computer. I've got my network drive here, Malderson. There's also the notes server and two other teaching drives that I don't think as students you have access to. I'm going to create this in my C drive, but when you're creating folders for your college work, create it in your network drive. It will usually be numbered, your student number, normally starting with a 3 or the letter M. If I go inside my C drive here, it shows me the contents of my C drive. This is just the same as clicking on C on the left hand side, and the contents will be displayed on the right hand side of the screen. This is the system folder for the computer, or the system drive for the computer. I'm just using it because it's less cluttered than my other drives for this tutorial. The first thing I want to do when setting up a drive is right click in the blank area on the right hand side, and it comes up a small context menu. Anytime you use the right mouse button on the screen, a context menu is what you will be presented with. I want to select new, and then it gives me a list of the new things that I can create on my machine. Well, I want to create a new folder to save my work in. So new folder. As soon as you select the folder option, a new folder is created on screen with the text new folder highlighted in blue, which means you can name this folder anything you want. Now, I'm just going to name this test folder for the purpose of this exercise, and then press return. If I now go inside test folder, you can see that it's empty. I've not created any files in it. If you make a mistake when naming your folder, there's one or two ways you can change the name of it. One is to click the folder, right click the folder, and then select rename, and then you can retype a name for the folder. Or if you click once and wait a second, and then click once again, that allows you to rename the folder yet again. Or I think F2 on the keyboard also allows you to rename the folder. So there's 3 ways you can rename your folder if you make a mistake after you've created it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump into an application, probably Microsoft Word, save a file into this folder, and then show you how to retrieve that file. So the first thing I need to do is run Microsoft Word. Start menu, Microsoft Word, and test file for tutorial. I'm going to save this file now. Now it's asking me 2 things here: what the file's name is and where it's to be stored. So the first thing I want to do is go and select the new folder that I created, which was in my C drive. And then if I scroll down, we'll see test folder. Here it's here. And I'll call this test file, which is situated in the test folder. I'll save that. I'll now close down Microsoft Word. Just to show you from the start, rather than clicking on the My Computer icon this time, I'll use the quick key. Hold down the Windows key and tap E for Explore, and it opens the Explorer window. Now if I go back into my C drive, and here is the test folder. If I double click on that, there is the test file I've just created in Microsoft Word. If I double click the file, thanks to file associations, the file will load up in the application you require. Thanks for listening, and I hope this helps you in your journey through college. Goodbye.